The Bitcoin is about to make an absolutely explosive move. Is this going to be a breakout above this resistance trade line? And are we going to move up to the next resistance level? Or are we going to reject from this resistance trend line? And are we going to move back again with another rejection? You will get to know what is going to happen next with the highest probability in this video. So sit back, relax, and let's get into it. Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Simon from My Crypto Paradise, and before we jump back to the Bitcoin chart, let's first take a quick look what happened in the crypto market. We are looking at our free Paradise news channel right now, and what we can see, Binance secures regulatory approval in Abu Dhabi, so that's good. Binance is actually the only exchange I know about right now which is still building during this bear market and not going bankrupt. We know about FTX exchange. Last video I have been talking about Gemini exchange, BlockFi exchange having some issues as well, financial issues, and Binance is still growing, so that's a good thing because ParadiseFamilyVIP, we are trading on Binance majorly. Next, what we have next here is that Justin Bieber bought Bored Ape NFT for $1.3 million. Now this boy lost his money because his ape is valued at $69,000. That's a big loss for Justin Bieber. Well, if he's gonna be holding his NFTs, maybe when we go back to the next bull market cycle, the ape value will go back up. So hold it and maybe you will still make some money on it. Alright, so now let's jump back to the Bitcoin chart. As I already showed you here, we are trading in this channel right here. So this is the upper trend line which is working like a resistance right here with a confluence with moving average, which is this blue line. This is a 200 moving average and we are on 30 minutes time frame, as you can see right here. So if we just put this trend line to the downside, we can basically see this channel. So this is working like a resistance. This will be working as a support in case we will get rejected from this resistance trend line and move back down. Another confluence, how to find a proper support if we really not gonna be able to break through this resistance area around here, is Fibonacci levels. So for this we need to zoom out a little bit and chart a little bit higher thing. So this is one channel, but we are actually trading in another channel above this one as well. So we will chart this another channel which is basically right here like this. So I will make it blue, so it's no, maybe I will make it red here so it's much better visible for you guys. And as you can see, this is basically a resistance. These are just basically the tops around here, and it's also confluencing with this side volume. So as you can see here, there is gonna be a lot of liquidity supply, so the whales, in case we move up, they will be using that liquidity. So for the resistance, that's basically very clear. If we break through this level around here above the moving average and about this trend line right here, we will be moving next to this resistance trend line around here. For the support, we need to use the Fibonacci levels, and I have been charting them already, but I will show you how basically you can do it yourself. So the Fibonacci retracement, we have the most important levels, which is 0.618, 786 and 1.272 and 1.618. These four are the most strong, durable ones, and as you can see, I have basically put the one dot on the low, on the total low, which is at around 15,450 in this range, and then I put the second dot on the high, on the recent high from this consolidation structure, and that is right now around 18,200, and it aligns with the 200 moving average as well. As you can see, the 200 200 moving average is working very nicely, precisely working as a resistance area. So as you can see, like if we break down with a confirmation, we have been breaking above it here, here, also here, but there was no confirmation. So the confirmation, by confirmation I mean closing above it at least a daily candle or weekly for a better confirmation. But right here we can use an example of 3-day candle, and basically we have not closed any. So let's get back to the 30 minutes time frame, and as we can see right here, when I charted the Fibonacci levels, we take the nearest Fibonacci level, and the 0.618 is also the most important one in my experience. And if we prolong this Fibonacci level right here, we basically get the next support. So I can cancel these Fibonacci retracement levels, which doesn't necessarily interest us right now, and we can take a look at the 0.618, which is aligned here at 16,500. As you can see, it also, this Fibonacci level aligns with this side volume indicator right here, and basically with the lows as well. So as you can see, we have been doing some lows movement around here, and basically we have been respecting the support area before. So right now it's still in working. So if we really going to move to the downside, if we are not able to break through this resistance area trend line around here and through the moving average, which is just right above it, we will be moving down to the 0.618 Fibonacci level, which is right now positioned at 16,500. It also aligns with the support trend line right here, and also with the RSI, which is getting overbought. As you can see right here, we are getting into the resistance, so there is going to be something like this. How low we gonna move when the RSI is going to be rejecting from here and doing some kind of correction? That really depends on the price action which is going to happen on this chart. So to understand more the price action, we charted the Fibonacci level, which is aligned with the support trend line right here. So the price action after that should look something like this. Basically we will move around here. Here it should work as a support, and then we will grab a liquidity right here, because there's gonna be a lot of stops again, because if somebody is longing right now, they are longing here, right? And they will be placing their stop loss around here, around the lows. So if we move down here to this support area, there's gonna be a lot of stops triggered, and that's exactly the liquidity the whales are looking at, and they are wanting this liquidity so we can move to the upside again. And the upside target should after that be something about $18,400. That's our estimated area of next resistance, which is around here. So as you can see, $18,400, that's around here, confluencing with this price action we had on the breakdown. And I can make this red so it's better understandable for you guys. So this is our next resistance area. It's a medium time frame resistance, and for the expectation of the Paradise team right now, what we really expect right now to happen with a higher probability, because we don't think that this move is enough, to be honest with you. Like we don't think that whales right now have enough volume to just push from this level Bitcoin to the upside. So we broke these resistances right here and right here. So we are expecting move up. We are really expecting move up, because we are consolidating here at the bottom for a very long time. As you can see, this is around 1 month already. So there needs to be some upside correction to the upside, and we are expecting to happen exactly like this. So we expect this to be rejected. We will move to the downside here to the 0.618 618 Fibonacci level, then we will be able to break successfully through this lower time frame resistance area. We will overcome also this resistance trend line, and then we start moving to the upside exactly to the level of 18,400 around here. So what we will be doing after some more confirmation in the Paradise Family VIP with our Paradise Family VIP members, we are watching the markets with the Paradise team 24/7. Once we get some reaction, what we are looking for, some other confirmations, basically we will be positioning our bids around this level, around 16,500, and then we will be triggering a move to the upside, which is from this level around 11%, which is a great target because we will be playing this signal something like this, and you always need to be looking for some great probability trades, high risk reward trades, and this will basically allow us to keep stop loss very tight and the sell target will be very wide. So this is it, ladies and gentlemen. We are looking for a first move to the downside to the 16,500, and then we will trigger enough liquidity and we will be able to move to the upside to 18,400. We are right now with Paradise Family VIP members waiting for more confirmations. Once we have them, we will place our limit orders and we will start again trading like a professional traders. Professional trading is really just a patient game, very much discipline needed, and if you are able to start applying these skills and you are able to be consistent with it, you can make a great amount of money in this market, even in this shitty bear market. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I will come back with a next video updating this signal, if we trigger it or not, and what will happen next. I will let you know in the next video. So subscribe to this channel, put the notification bell on so you don't miss any updates, and if you want more, just subscribe to our free Telegram channel, link in the description. And if you are ready to start trading like a professional, join our Paradise Family VIP right away. This was Simon from My Crypto Paradise, and I will see you next time. Cheers.